A lot more flexibility. I'm going to focus primarily on reports here, but keep in mind inquiries is a very, very powerful tool in Acumatica. So if you notice here on my payables, I've got reports for AP aging, cash requirements, receivables, same thing. I've got our AR aging. When we go into finance, balance sheet, P&Ls, cash flow statements, rolling 12 months, comparisons, year to date versus budget. Now, again, I mentioned earlier about the navigation. This can be a little hard to keep up with everything. You've got so many different places to go to. I've got an inquiry here for cash flow forecast. I've got cash requirements. I've put all these in my favorites, so they're very easy to find. So I'm going to start here and take a look at our AP aging. Come in here. I'm going to run it as of today. And keep in mind, I can run it at a summary level, detailed level, and show me with retention. I'll start first with the summary level. I'll run the report, and it gives me a very high level. Again, keep in mind, my data is older, so most of my stuff is past 30 days here. And you can easily run a report, and if needed, you could print it from here, you can send it from here, or you can export this to Excel or PDF. Let me go back here and change now to detailed. We run the report. Now it's going to give me by transaction. So let's move forward here, find a few transactions here. So here we are with the bills associated to it. And if you recall, I mentioned that we're able to drill into these, right? So it's not just information, but I can come in here, drill in, and it will open the transaction associated to it. So one click, get to where you need to be. So here's a bill for this resulted, looks like a purchase order from a vendor for these items here. And here's our bill. If we need to go in, we can then go through and pay, or we can use the features, which we won't go into here, but the pay in bulk features that we have available. Last bit of the report that I'll show is the same report, but now detailed with retention. And again, it adds a column there for you to be able to see the retention amount. So we can see unreleased retention here on the detailed level as well. We'll go back to my favorites. Let's flip to the other side. Let's go to AR aging. Same concept there. You're able to see the summary on your AR. These are the absolute basic of what you should be getting from your system, right? Be able to get AR aging, go down to the detailed level, and then be able to drill into the specific transactions for a customer. So you see here, Alta Ace has quite a few. They're